Let's see. Is this go through? Cool, cool. One of my guys wanted me to do this, so going over my Friday watch list, I guess. See what we can get. Not sure. Haven't really drawn anything out yet, but we'll figure it out. We'll go over something and get some tunes in here because I don't like nothing in this, you know. Yeah. One viewer, cool, cool. Just gonna. Ooh, that's way too loud. Yeah, alright, alright. Let's see what we're looking at this week. And this is how basically I go over the stocks for every week. No, I don't want to change my overlay. This is my now playlist. If you guys have any stocks you want to add though, like, feel free to shoot me a ticker symbol and we can go over it. And the reason ACB dropped and all these weed stocks, because ACB had earnings, so I knew the earnings was going to be terrible. Apple on a 3-day losing streak. This is looking ugly for them. The only thing I could see is like this clear range they're in. They're still in the range. It's not bad. So, what's up, Jamie Joker? What's up? Yeah, they're in a clear range. So it's like it's either a bounce or it's gonna consolidate another day. Could be like one of these. A little doji comes in. And the thing I like about TradingView is you can add strategies that you want. So like doji indicator. See that exactly what I said. That was a doji, and it indicated it was a doji. So, and doji, if you don't know, that's a reversing trend. So, all right. And you know, for daily setups, you only look at the daily chart because you're looking for the next day. So that's the only reason we're looking at the daily. If we're like gonna swing or something, we would want to like look through all the candles, mostly the daily, and the 4 hours. So Uber, like what I'm looking at right now, if it doesn't, basically Uber is at this line right here, correct? Yeah. This is the resistance. It's still holding over, but like if it breaks under tomorrow, we can see it fall to this level. So Uber, $4 move down. That's I got so many subscribers because I used to be a streamer. Used to stream like Apex Legends and Fortnite, but I haven't done that in forever. And then I just quit. And then I started trading stocks after that. In what was it, 2016, 2017? Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go back to the daily chart. Oh, GE could be a nice pump. See, it's getting very tight, so the volume's gonna shoot up. Tomorrow could be a shoot up day, and there's a lot of volume on GE as well, so I'm gonna add that to the watch list. I'm actually gonna clear our watch list that we have. These are the stocks we were looking at, but I don't wanna. Didn't really use all of them. I know we used Lulu. Lulu was like a a nice one. I'll keep that one on there, but everything else, it's going. So we're at GE. So look at Palantir. Yeah, no setup, nothing. AMD could be a breakout, possibly. So CGC pins is at a breakout point too, bro. You don't want a shout out from me, man. You're the only viewer, bro. We got AT&T. AT&T, if it breaks over this line, we could see like a 50-cent move. Not much, but it's pretty good. Probably a swing next week, maybe. Another doji, and it's still falling, dude. PFE is going downhill. Facts. Damn, Twitter really took off. That's crazy. Usually I tell everyone, you know, don't trade Fridays. It's like it's too volatile day, but like recently the stock market's been insane, so we gotta keep up to date with these insane days. Tesla might fall off, making the SPY go down. We got the doji. Doji means reversal, so possibly no fall off here. Let's add Tesla to the list. Dude, open was the move. Oh. PayPal with the hard sell off. ET not doing well. Gotta add laser to the watch list because it's on a verge to break out. It is breaking out after hours, I see, so we could see a retest at 39. That'd be nuts. Oh yeah, it's really ripping actually. It's like a 1 to 2% rip after hours. Baba nothing, Siri nothing. DKNG, I'm not messing with that. It's got earnings soon. Usually jumps before earnings. So I mean, if it holds, let's see. Because we're just sticking with this trend. So I mean, if it's still in, like it broke over the trend line. So if it's still in the trend, if it stays green tomorrow, holds for 30 minutes, stays bullish about this line, then we could see a bullish break. But it's looking like it's gonna fill this gap right here, which would be, if we look at it, it would be the fall down right here to retrace off the trend, and then we can see bullish momentum. So if I'm going too fast for any of you guys, just let me know. Oh, did I mark that one down? I didn't. Alright, let's see. Save. And we got 1, 2, 3. So this could be... I don't know if I marked this wrong, actually. Could be the... No, it's not. Well, yeah, this is one of them too. Because we got a gap, and then we got a double bounce through the gap. So this is the top of the trend. As you see, got rejected off. So we are in a consolidation. I'm gonna add it to the watch list. Maybe next week be something good, but for right now it's nothing. Pow. Power still holding power, so that's a good one. Disney breaks out because of earnings. Um, I'm not. There's probably not going to be a sell-off in the morning. Disney's probably just going to fly. So, Workhorse. Workhorse. This could be a sell. Like, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, Workhorse is going into a sell mentality. Where's the nearest gap on this? So it filled all these. So there isn't really a gap down anywhere. Let's look at the 4 hour. But it is a sell. So I could see Workhorse pull back up and then retrace all the way down to right here. So 35 bucks. That's where Workhorse needs to fill the gap before it looks to go back up. I'm just gonna add work to my playlist because, like, if it breaks above, we could actually see some momentum happening in this stock. It hasn't been moving for months, so like momentum on a low volatility stock could shoot it up super high, like just the contracts itself. So Piton, it's still in the trend, so it's fine. AbbVie's got a nice. If it bounces here, it could just run up the trend. Unless it really wants to dip and fill this gap right here, then it's gonna dip through the cloud. Run is going for a breakout, just like we called it. Pen. I got an itch on my nose. Just wait till it comes all the way down to 106. That could be another week. Zoom's on a breakout momentum. Oh, Beyond, just like I called it on the last YouTube video. It's gonna break out. It's coming back up. Their earnings aren't so hot though. Had one good earnings. I think last month, because they didn't have good earnings, it was because they were paying for a bunch of like, I don't even know how to say it. They paid to have like their product on Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks and a bunch of other companies. So that's why their revenue went down, because they were overspending. But I mean, it was worth it because like this quarter, it's gonna be through the roof. You know what I'm saying? IBM got rejected, like I said. Roku's earnings are coming up. 18th, that's a Thursday. That could be a run to 500 next week. That'd be nuts. Nike with the bounce. Let's add that to the list. Is this their earnings? Oh, they did terrible and then got bought back like crazy, so that's a little nuts. Oh, JKS with the buy, dude. Look at this. Holy shit. Boom, 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 boom. And their earnings are coming up. They do good on earnings? No. They did good the first time. I don't know. The second time though. Or there's a gap here. Let's see what this fills. It's no, it's nothing. Yeah, that doesn't go with anything, so. The gap fill strat does not work with every stock, just so everyone knows. Oh, there it is. This is actually, this is probably the perfect spot right here because look, it goes through the gap, right? It goes through the second gap. That's telling you that this is still a buy, right? And it's a bullish gap fills. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, we got 4 too. And their earnings is 302. So I'm thinking, fuck it. Let's just do the 26, 2 weeks out. Calls on this. JKS, yeah. I'm thinking that looks nice. What does the 4 hours say? Okay, so I never filled this gap, so I don't like that. But I wonder if it gets rejected in the morning. Yeah, that's 58. I don't see it coming down to 58 though. It'll probably come down to 58 in the earnings. So it's gonna be bullish up until it's got a gap up here at 78. So that's a good one. I like JKS. Let's see, Wayfair. CS earnings. Fuck. I don't know. It's got no volume too, but so doesn't Fiverr, and that shit ran. Oh, thank God we sold Tup when we did. Everything's looking so bullish, and I don't like that, dude. I feel like the market's gonna sell off. Like when everyone thinks it's bullish, it goes bearish. Like you're not gonna get lucky every day. But Bitcoin, no, Bitcoin's fine. What is this? U.S. oil? That's definitely looking bearish. What's this? The SPY? That's looking hella bearish. I don't like that at all. Okay, so after you pick out your watch list, now we go back to these, and then we just volumize these, and then we pick the top best ones with volume. So GE, AMD, it's either a bull or a bear, I don't know. Then we go this Tesla. Well, actually, then you look at them. So you would look through and check the average volume over here. Let me close this in a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah, you would look at the average volume. So it's at 14 million. That's a high volume. So you like laser. Go to GE. Look at the volume. Average volume 98 million. So this is shit. Put that down. AMD, average volume 46 million, so this is under volume again. This is under. This is under. DKNG. This is under. These are all shit, bro. Under. Under. Did we look at Lulu? Lulu doesn't really matter, to be completely honest. It's a swing trade. Swing trade's average volume doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm predicting it's gonna sell off tomorrow just because like all the average volume's down, so we can see a sell off. I'm just gonna add CCIV to the watch list and SNDL because those are in the portfolio. And yeah, that's what I do to look at the stocks. Hope this helped you in any way. If you did, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.